Geography Lesson 5. Today we study seasonal changes. We already know Earth's tilt. Now we explore yearly changes. Earth experiences seasonal changes yearly. Temperatures change during the year. Nature changes across seasons. Life adapts to these changes. The real cause. Seasons happen because Earth is tilted. Sunlight changes during Earth's orbit. Different regions receive different energy. This creates seasonal differences. Sunlight during the year. Sunlight angles change over the year. Some months receive stronger sunlight. Other months receive weaker sunlight. This controls temperature patterns. Temperature differences. More sunlight increases surface heating. Less sunlight reduces temperatures. Warm and cold periods appear yearly. This cycle creates seasons. Day length effect. Day length changes during seasons. Longer days increase outdoor activities. Shorter days reduce daily activities. Sunlight duration affects temperatures. Summer effects. Summer brings warmer temperatures. Plants grow faster in warm weather. Animals become more active. Human outdoor activity increases. Winter effects. Winter brings colder temperatures. Snow and ice may appear. Some animals migrate or hibernate. Outdoor activities decrease. Spring transition. Spring follows winter season. Temperatures slowly increase. Plants begin growing again. Nature becomes active again. Autumn transition. Autumn follows summer season. Temperatures slowly decrease. Leaves change colors and fall. Animals prepare for winter. Hemisphere difference. Seasons differ between hemispheres. North and South have opposite seasons. Summer in North means winter South. Earth's position causes this. Effect on agriculture. Seasons control farming activities. Farmers plant crops seasonally. Harvest times change yearly. Food production depends on seasons. Effect on daily life. Seasons change human activities. People change clothes and habits. Travel and sports follow seasons. Daily routines adapt yearly. Link to climate zones. Seasonal sunlight shapes climate zones. Some regions stay warm year-round. Others remain cold longer. Next lesson studies climate zones. Review. Seasons result from Earth's tilt. Sunlight changes during orbit. More sunlight brings warmth. Less sunlight brings cold. Question. Why do seasons happen on Earth? A. Distance from sun changes. B. Earth's axis is tilted. Great job learning seasonal changes. Next lesson explores climate zones. Keep learning with Polaris Academy. See you in the next lesson.